day today, don't you think?
Yeah, nice and ripped.
I see you enjoying the view. I came by to see old Hanky boy. Is he up yet?
He just left with Marty. They went down to the office. It's re-election time. I'm just here with the boys. So I'm taking a little, rather large break.
I hear that, kitten. Hey, you know I just bought a shop, and I was thinking.
Sorry, Harvey. Can't work for you again. Especially during re-election.
You can't blame a guy for asking. Well, I'm going to say hi to the boys. You stay lovely. Lovely.
The door's open, Harvey. And Nanny wouldn't hear you anyway. Little Hank hasn't taken his pills yet.
His pills?
Little Hank! Get off that break!
Hey, boys, Uncle Harvey is here to say...
Look at me, I'm a race car engine! Take your pills, Hank! Take your... Hank! I'm a turbo engine! Please, for the love of God, take your pills, I beg you! Hank! I'm a red engine! Ooh, hey-ya, 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 hey-ya.
How's it going, Harry? I see your brother didn't have his breakfast yet.
Hey, Uncle!
Hey, Hank, why don't you come over here and have some breakfast? Or not. Up to you.
Hey, Uncle! When'd you get it? Did you see it?
Where's his pants?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hey, check this out!
Yep, that did it. So what you reading, kid?
Rich Tadpole Heifer.
Hey, I know, Gimme. Give me some more. Good book. What? You want to run your own business? Be your own boss, set your own rules. I like that. A chip off the old family block. Sort of. Why don't you take a ride with me? I came over to talk to your dad about some new business opportunity. But hey, you seem interested.
Okay, let me just go get my little satchel. I'll be a little sad.
How you doing over there, Hank? Somebody get that boy some pants.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is...
Boy, you need to go and get a job.
Dad, it's Saturday.
You're not going to be sitting around here all day. You and your dumbass friends. You are 16 weeks old.
Dad.
It's time for you to go and get a job.
Dad.
How you going to take care of yourself, boy, if you don't work? How you going to buy stuff, son? That's what life is about. Buying stuff and working.
But Dad, Mom just upped my allowance.
What the?
Her show was picked up for another season.
Another season? Another season?
Dad, we're straight. Don't worry. But you're right. I will work harder. My music deserves more attention.